I've never had to install windows or windshields or anything like that, but my conclusion to installing windows with locking gaskets into any automotive application whatsoever is the simple fact that the justice system, instead of sending people to prison, should have a system set up so that instead of serving a prison sentence, you have to install windows and windshields for like a week if you murder somebody, or if you burn down a church, or if you do something really bad like rob a bank and shoot some people. Maybe 2 or 3 weeks, because that's probably the amount of death and destruction I wanted to cause to myself while I was putting these windows in. They are not fun at all. I did not enjoy it. They turned out nice, but I didn't like it at all. There are some blemishes. I mean, the windows aren't perfect. The cutouts weren't perfect, so I had to make them a little bit bigger. These panels on the side here were an absolute bear. Not fun at all. You saw we had to weld in an extra brace just so the panels would stop flopping, and gave it a little bit more support for those windows. The best one of all was the rear. It went in like it was supposed to, and it was the only one that went in like it was supposed to. Now, I do have a spare one of these, so in case one of these decides to break the first time we take it out, because the panels are twisting and pulling on it. I don't think that's going to happen, but I mean, who knows? These are older windows. They're probably made 30, 40 years ago, so it wouldn't surprise me if one of them cracked from the tension that are on them. Get you caught up on what I've been doing the last couple days. I got the boxes mounted, and I Sikaflexed around the edge on the inside there, and then I left a drain, kind of a drain route here, so if there is any leaks, it'll drain down into the pan like I designed it, and then it'll come out right here. On both sides I did that. So yeah, this is not going to be watertight. It's not going to be perfect. It'll be more of an amphibious vehicle where you can drive it into the water, drive out, and all the water will pour out of it. So something else I've been working on, you guys been messaging me and wondering, wait, are you going to insulate it? Are you going to insulate it? Well, yes and no. This is a sound deadening material. I don't believe it's insulation. I could be wrong, but I don't believe it is. So this stuff they sell on Amazon, I had to order more because obviously I ran out and I got to do the rest of these panels, but I did what I could. I got started on the doors. I got the driver's side door done. I didn't get the passenger door done, and I didn't get these rear passenger doors done. So I'll have to keep moving forward on that. I'm exhausted from just the constant tension and the carpal tunnel syndrome you got to create to get these windows in. And the tools that they provided, one of them was absolutely worthless. I don't know why they even included it. It's made for a different style of gasket, so that didn't work. But I did find a method that worked. I used a lot of soapy water and just got them done. What else can I tell you? Man, I don't think there was anything else that I was working on that I hadn't shown you guys already. These doors turned out pretty awesome. I got all the weather stripping on them. I'm going to have to polish up these windows before we take them out and put some Rain-X on them. They have some windshield wiper scratches on them, so I'll have to take care of that. But, man, we're moving right along. Stay tuned this week. I've got something special coming up. In one of these episodes, I told you guys that you're going to really enjoy the track design that I came up with. Well, this week I am picking up materials for the tracks, and I came up with a design that I did some research on to see if they would be strong enough, yet lightweight, and I think they're going to work. So we're going to try them out, and if not, they're going to fold up while we're out, on the first run in deep snow, and then we'll be stranded. So that'll be kind of fun. But anyhow, if you guys like this video, Give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Check out Rusty. He's looking pretty mean and aggressive already, and he's not even out in the snow. Just wait till he gets the tracks on. I think you guys are really going to like that look. But as always, guys, stay safe, take care, and I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.